Love yours. No such thing. No such thing.
Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Anaya, and as y'all can see from the title, today we are going to be making one of these granny square beanies. So cute. Like, this is probably one of my favorite hats of the year, I'm not gonna lie. So this project is going to be for beginners that are getting into making granny squares. You know, you kind of past the level of just regular hats and you want to make something with granny squares, but you don't want to commit to nothing too serious. This is the hat for you. Like, it's cute, it's simple, and it's not going to take long. Now, a disclaimer, I did not add a granny square, like a part of me making a granny square, into this video because I already have a tutorial on how to make a granny square on my channel. So y'all, if y'all want to learn how to make a granny square, just go on my channel and it's a tutorial. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show y'all how to assemble and all kind of other stuff. So let's get into it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. So all you guys will need is 4 to 5 different colors of yarn. Okay, so for my square, I only used 4 colors, and then for my border roll, I just used brown twice. So that's where my 5th color came in. So for y'all, if y'all choose to do a different color, that'll be y'all 5th color. Okay, and you will also need some stitch markers if you want. They are optional. And you will need some scissors, and I used a 5mm crochet hook, but you can use whatever hook you would want to use. Look, whatever hook you choose to use, you can use, basically. Okay, so I haven't weaved in my ends for my granny square, but for y'all granny squares, I have a tutorial on my channel if y'all need help making y'all granny squares. I always do 5 rounds because for an adult size hat, you'll always need 5 rounds, but depending on the size crochet hook you use, it might be different for you. So each square, if I'm not mistaken, is 5 by 5 inches. So I just did 5, and what we're gonna do is place the granny squares like this. You're going to have 3 going straight, and then you're going to have 2 going across. And what you will be doing is slip stitching here, 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 and then the sides. So I'm about to show y'all how to slip stitch. Okay, I'm sorry if y'all can't see if the lighting is bad. My freaking light broke. Like, okay, so I just push it through both loops. This is a corner, and you're going to pull through. And I like to chain 1. And I just seen somebody go through the back loop or the front loop and I don't remember. So you're just going to push through, pull through. That's how I do my slip stitches. If you want to do yours however you do yours, that's fine as well. There's no right or wrong way. And you do that all the way across. Make sure you put right sides together and wrong sides on the outside. So, and I used to make the mistake of putting a slip stitch between these two, but I don't like doing that no more, and I find that it gives it a very seamless look. So that's that. Let me zoom out a little bit. So it should look like that. Okay, so I just added my other square, and we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing again. The more you do it, the easier it gets. So I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm just going in. I am so sorry for the lighting, y'all. I'm gonna go get another light, and I gotta get another tripod, so bear with me. But it shouldn't take this long. It shouldn't take that long. This is a quick project. So keep doing that, and I'm gonna come back to y'all when I add my other squares. So now I have my 3 squares stitched together. So now I'm about to go ahead and stitch together these 2 sides, and then so let's go ahead and do that. So right sides together, and then I'm going to take my yarn, slip stitch. A lot of people join other ways, but that's just how I join. I mean, I do it. You don't have to do it that way, of course. And you basically just do the same thing you did last time. So you just keep doing that, and you do that for every side, every corner piece. Okay, and once you make it to the end of this square, you can go ahead and just combine these 2 sides like this. Like, you don't even have to cut anything, and just push through these 2, find the right holes that they go in, and push through, and you'll just start slip stitching all the way down. Okay, so I just finished stitching all the granny squares together, and now what I'm going to do is I don't know if y'all can see, but this is the beanie I had on, and you see how clean the edge is versus this after you're done with the granny squares. I like to do a row of half double crochets. Half double crochet is like one of my favorite stitch for like a clean, like seamless look once you're done. So we are going to take I forgot to say that you will need a 4.5 millimeter hook. I don't know if it's gonna focus, probably not. So I'm using a 4.5 millimeter hook for the border, just to do a row of half double crochet. So I'm gonna show y'all. And you basically, you might just have to, like, you know, find stitches, just force stitches into certain places. Half double crochet, you just wrap around and pull through all 3. So that's basically all I'm doing. And this is where your stitch markers will come in handy. So y'all, I got these from Dollar Tree. That is so off topic, but I just had to tell y'all, go look at y'all Dollar Tree. Do not order any on Amazon. Go to Dollar Tree. So stitch marker right there, just so you can know when to finish your half double, when you finish your half double crochet. So let's keep going. Okay, so I'm gonna meet y'all when I get back to my stitch marker. Okay, so this is the aftermath. I didn't weave none of my ends in, so don't look too hard. But yeah, this is just a real cute, easy, quick hat, and you can make it whatever colors you want. If y'all want it tighter, smaller, bigger, just do less row. I mean, do more rows or do less rows. Use different hook sizes. Just play with it to see what works best for you. If my pattern doesn't work best for you, just tweak it up to your liking. And this is it. I got some water on my shirt, just excuse that. If y'all make it, make sure y'all send me pictures, because we crochet besties. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and feel free to always DM me or comment video ideas that y'all would like to see. And bye y'all.